All right, so here's a quick overview of everything you need for this project. So you need an LED panel. This is a 32 by 16 LED matrix. Mass produced, you can get these for about $25. Adafruit has it, for example. Then you'll need a pixel board. So the pixel board is actually what's going to control this LED panel. So think of this as the controller. It has a micro SD card to save your local designs. And then this is our Bluetooth dongle for Bluetooth connectivity. If you are a Raspberry Pi fan, you can actually unplug this, plug in a Raspberry Pi over USB connection, and control this from a Raspberry Pi. So that is possible. We have an API for that. And then if you want to go battery powered, then you'll also need an Adafruit Power Boost to convert the voltage from the LiPo battery, which is something like this, 2500 milliamp LiPo, 3.3 volts. You want to get 5 volts to control this and this. So this will take your 3.3 volts to 5 volts. So you need this guy. And this will also, this is pretty cool little board. This will also charge the battery as well. So you just charge it using any micro USB charger. And then we give you the instructions to mount it, to make it really easy to mount. So basically, the pixel board is going to mount like this. If you're doing battery power, which again, you don't have to, you can run just as easily off AC power using something like this, just a standard 5 volt. This is a 4 amp power brick. You can probably get away with 2 amps. And then if you're using AC power, you just simply plug in your AC adapter here, and that makes it much more simpler, less soldering. But if you want battery, you can do that, just a little bit more soldering. The battery will mount like that. And then we've got the template for the LED panel to mount nice and neat. So you see it's all lined up with those holes there. Let me show you a better view of that. Okay. So there's the holes, and you just put some M3 metric screws to screw those down. We have links to where you can get those, and then your panel will attach like this. All your circuits are here, and then there's some other components you can laser cut and do the full case. So that, in summary, is the project.